Hey guys, welcome to my channel Gotta Designs. On this video I will be doing a DIY fashion, sewing a SHEIN inspired tube top and pencil skirt step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I created this chic trendy tube top and pencil skirt set inspired by the well-known fashion brand. Please join me in the process of creating this outfit. Like, subscribe, comment below for any suggestions or video ideas that you want to see. Firstly, we're gonna start off with the patterns. I've already drafted them and now I'm just cutting out the tube top patterns. I actually had to redo them because they didn't come out as I wanted to. So right now I'm starting with the skirt. I'm cutting it out, so I'm laying it out on the fabric and pinning it, and after that I'm just gonna cut it out. This is the front part of the pencil skirt, and once I'm done with this I'm going to be cutting the back two pieces of the pencil skirt. And now I'm just doing the back side of the pencil skirt. Because on this pattern there isn't a zip, so it's supposed to be done with stretchy fabric. You really need stretchy fabric. This fabric is stretchy, it's a scuba, but it is not as stretchy as the fabric from SHEIN. So this fabric works but not quite. But anyway, you don't really need to add a zip to this outfit. And now I'm just cutting out the patterns that I had to correct earlier on. This is going to be the tube top of the outfit. Now that I have done cutting all my patterns, I'm going to lay them out, and once I'm done with that I'm going to pin them together. Once I'm done with that, I will be taking it to the machine. I'll be starting off with the skirt, and I'm going to start off by sewing the side seams and joining the waistband to the skirt. Now that's done, I'm just going to be sewing the sides of the waistband. There I realized that the waistband was a little bit bigger than the actual waist of the skirt. Wasn't really actually big, it was the same size, so I have to make it a little bit smaller. I reduced the sides by 1/2 inch on both sides so it could be a little tighter on the skirt waist. So now I'm just gonna be pinning the skirt and the waist, and that's where I'm going to be joining them, and I'm also going to sew the hem of the skirt as well. So now I'm just gonna be closing up the waistband, and after that I'll just sew it together. So now I'm doing the tube top, and that's the middle part of the top, so I'm just going to be sewing on the sides. Similar to the skirt, I'll also have a band on the top and the bottom of the tube top, and I'm going to sew them together. I did measure my bust size, and I realized that I needed it to be a little tighter, so I have reduced it also by 1 inch on both sides. These are the bands I was talking about. I'm gonna place them on the top and the bottom of the top, the tube top, I mean. So I'm just gonna pin them, as you can see, and I'm also going to pin the other side, and I'm gonna sew it together. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna close it the same way I did the skirt. There I am closing the top part of the tube top, and thereafter I'm doing the bottom part. I'm closing it up, and once I'm done closing it up and I sew it up, I'll be done with this outfit. check out more of my videos on my description, and thank you for watching.